Yo, so you've seen those TikTok flexes where some dude's like, I made $50,000 last month with drop shipping. And you're like, how? Let me spill the tea. I've been in this game for years, and 90% of what you hear online is straight cap. Here's the real truth. No sugarcoating. Truth number one. Easy money. A lie, bro. Let me hit you with some reality. I tested 31 products last year. 7 worked. 7. The rest? Flop harder than my attempt at baking sourdough. Remember that viral silent basketball trend? Yeah, I jumped on it. Made a hype video, got 2M views, and sold 12 units. Why? Because the product looked cheap, and my marketing screamed, scammy dropshipper. Lesson? Virality is not equal to sales. You gotta nail both the product and the pitch. Truth number 2. Your website doesn't need to be fancy. Swipe this secret. My ugliest website made the most money. Seriously, think basic Shopify template, stock photos, and a neon by now button. Why? Because Karen scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. doesn't care about your parallax scrolling. She wants to click once, buy, and get back to cat videos. Overcomplicate it, and you'll lose M. Pro tip. Use GIFs of the product in action. My glow-in-the-dark water gun site looked like a 2008 GeoCities page, but it banked $36,000. Truth number 3. Suppliers aren't your savior. Get a private supplier. Every guru ever. Let me debunk this. My first $100,000 came from AliExpress. Yeah, shipping took 18 days. Yeah, customers complained. But guess what? They still bought. Private suppliers aren't magic. Most agents work with 100-plus people. I switched to CJ dropshipping later, but honestly, start with AliExpress. Master the game first. Truth number 4. You don't need ADS, but you need hustle. Here's the kicker. I stopped running ads in 2022. Instead, I filmed 500 TikToks in my mom's basement. Yep, for every viral vid, like the mini crock pot that cooks ramen in your dorm, there were 50 flops. But free traffic? Chef's kiss. One vid of me cooking steak in a Tesla, dumb, I know, got 5M views and funded my vacation. Key. Post daily, fail fast, and sound human. No robotic voiceovers. Truth number 5. Solving problems is overrated. Your product must solve a problem. Says every course ever. Meanwhile, I made $70,000 selling a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. 0 problem solved. Just pure dopamine. The real secret? Make people feel something. Nostalgia, FOMO. I need this for the gram. My toy car that shoots sparks didn't solve squat, but teens bought it to flex on Snapchat. Look, dropshipping's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a grind. You'll waste money on dud products, cry over refunds, and question your life choices. But if you stick with it, learn from LS, it's worth it. Start small. Sell something dumb. Fail. Repeat. And for the love of God, stop buying courses. If you're still watching, smash subscribe.